Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select an app, like Chrome, then click Home button and select the other one, for example, Play Store. Now click on the square button over here and hold one of your apps. After that, drag it to the top of the screen and let go. Now click on the other one, and as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, just drag the first tab upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!